Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our Koding Kotlin series. Sorry, I am a little bit late. The previous meeting was quite interesting. Just couldn't leave it. But anyways, so let's get back to what we have. And you, I hope that you miss us because we were not here for 2 weeks, and it's an extremely long time for you, right? Yeah, it's me, Pasha.
Did
And
you miss us?
they did that.
No,
Of course
you.
they did. I mean, the all zero viewers missed us.
Yeah.
Yeah, I should probably share my screen. Yeah, I did it. Nice. What did we do last time? We moved to the Flex framework for the whole our applications, and we actually I did it in between last episode and 2 episodes ago of the screen time. Can they already see my screen?
Yes.
Nice. So what I forgot to do last time? Wow, interesting. I already tried to implement something. No, like you can delete it. I tried to implement collision detection system, but I will just delete it because it doesn't work, and it shouldn't work actually, because nothing should be done off the screen. What we didn't manage to do last time is to make diamonds appear every second. We have a diamond spamming system for that here. It's very simple. It's interval system that with fixed interval of 1 second just creates a new diamond, creates a new entity in the world at the random coordinates between 100 and 200. Adds some animation component, and yeah, as usual, yeah, it should not actually add collision component. I should delete probably the collision component too, because collision component doesn't work, and it shouldn't work, hopefully. Let's launch it again.
So yes, today I would like us to start interacting with the diamonds from the...
Yeah, we actually do, I believe. Or don't we?
Do it in a way that we are not ashamed of that.
What do you mean?
I mean, either we should... Didn't we wanted them to start at a different... Yeah, so I want them to disappear. I want some scoring system for that.
Yeah, okay. I have an issue here.
Okay.
Don't you think? Well, I think about two things. First of all, I think that probably we should add map to the whole thing, because it's not beautiful right now. I mean, with map, it's just like almost mature game, right? And it should be easy to add the map to our rendering system. Don't you think so?
Yes, that's one way to go.
The second thing I'm thinking about, maybe we should think about box2D, because it will handle at least it will handle collisions for us. Want it?
Yes, it should.
Yeah.
So, whichever of those two you find more interesting to.
Yeah.
We can start with the map because it feels simpler.
Yes.
And then we can go to
That's what I would do too.
Just to remind ourselves about the code and how it's supposed to.
I will add map as injectable. Should I add? No, I shouldn't add render as injectable. Probably I can create it in the rendering system. Now I can do it like this: private val map. What is it actually? What's the type of the map? It's tiled map. Nice. So why I like it this way? Because this way we will be able to pass any map to our rendering system, hopefully. I will also create a renderer. I should probably...
And this way is what way, actually?
I mean, we pass this tiled map as an injectable thing here. We don't actually need map here, probably. So we can just inject it into our rendering system. If we will have a second level, we will just pass a different map in the rendering system, and it should continue working. Right? Is it clear? Is it understandable?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
The logic is fine. Let's
Now
see if it
I actually don't know how do we use renderer. That's funny. Okay. Like this? What does it do? Okay, let's just, yeah, I also need to write something. Right. On dispose, I should probably call render dispose. Save. Nice. Do I also have other parts? No, probably not. I also should make it private. Nice. Okay, it works.
Yeah, which shows something. That's true.
What's wrong?
Offset, I think. Well, yeah.
Layers? No, it's not what we need. Okay, well, let's just open libktx tiled map. I don't type anything, right? libktx tiled map. Map renderer. Oh, wow. Okay, I should set view to camera.
Do we have camera in this?
Yes.
Okay.
It's actually also injected, so we can substitute cameras hypothetically, but actually we can't. But yeah, whatever. And then I should call map renderer render. Okay, let's try it.
I want us ideally to shake the camera when we encounter the
Diamond.
Diamond.
Yeah, now it's even better. Now we don't see anything at all.
Nice.
A huge step for humanity, right?
Absolutely. Moonwalk for humanity. I
don't have any idea. Oh, but we have GitHub, right? And we have a story here there. Let me see. Look at our comments. Here is the map. Oops. Main KT. Renderer set view camera. Oh, I should call render inside batch. And I don't do it at all, right? Smart boy. Yeah. Okay.
Wow.
Well, yeah. It's how it's supposed to look.
Nice. Where are the diamonds?
I don't know. I know. No. I should probably render before anything else. Before. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Good. Nice.
I should comment it. Commit it.
Commit. Yes.
And here is the map again.
The map strikes back. Yes.
Now something is updating. Yeah, I remember InnovateBot said me something about it. Like some minor version bumps. It's a good thing that we don't have tests, because otherwise they would probably fail.
Yes.
I didn't think that I
Our
will say it.
test success rate is 100% because we don't have any
Yes,
tests.
something like that. Your test won't fail if you have tests.
Smart.
Still works. Okay. Probably works as expected.
True. So we have map. Now we have to no excuses to add box 2D, right?
I'm looking for them. I mean, maybe there is something minor we should add. I didn't think about it. No, it's a good idea actually. Okay, let's try to understand the ideas behind. I already opened some links. Box2D in KTX.
Okay.
And Box2D in libktx. They are just not to Google for them.
Okay.
As far as I understand, there is like a virtual entity called world, and this world has its own gravity by default, which is kind of nice. And world has bodies, and these bodies have boxes. Don't ask me. And yeah, and they can communicate. Actually, body can have polygon or box or whatever. Everything is or circle, right?
Yeah, I guess it's like a collision shape, something.
Yeah, probably. Is it correct
no,
to
wait,
say that
no.
it's a collision shape?
No, I don't. Well, I don't know.
Probably it is. In 2D world, it should be a collision shape. And then world has a concept of like make a step or something like that. What is also interesting, they have debug renderer,
Yeah,
which, if I understand correctly, draws the actual boxes for you.
Yeah.
But I'm not sure if we can use it inside our rendering system. Probably we can, I don't know.
Yes, we should be able to do it. I would assume so.
So yeah, if I understand correctly, bodies should be just one more component of everything we have, probably.
Polygon shape, yeah. Or the not the what's it called? Rectangle.
Rectangle shape, probably.
Yeah.
Where did you see it? Yeah.
No,
box.
In my memory, yes.
Yeah, box is actually a polygon shape too, which makes sense. There are also edge shapes. I don't actually understand why do we need them? Because edge shape, if I understand correctly, is just, I don't know, things like this. No, it's actually chain.
I mean, let's pick one and start adding that.
Yeah, sure. At least let's try. I need to understand the whole idea. Well, first of all, we need to create a world, and we need to create a box2d system then to operate on this world, right?
Yes, that sounds logical.
Yeah, I'm just trying to understand. You have more experience than me, and I'm trying to validate my ideas.
Not with box2d, but yeah.
How should we call it? Physics system?
Yes.
Probably it should get a world as an argument.
Mm-hmm.
Or should it create a world? No, it should probably.
If it's box2d world, then it should be. Yeah, it should be created
it's
here.
It's box2d world, but we can initialize it right inside physics system because we only have one world, probably, right?
Yeah.
Is it iterating system? No, it's actually an interval system that just acts every frame, probably. How do I create it in box2d? Create world. It also can get some gravity, horizontal, and wait.
No, I think you have to have world created someplace else.
Well, that is what we see in the documentation. While world is equals create world.
Yeah, and then you pass it to the system. I think that.
You think why?
No idea. Easier to test. You want to change world before sending it to the system or something. You still need to register system, right, in the engine. So that's where you put it.
So it will be a world, and it will be probably injected too.
Yeah.
What? I don't remember the syntax. Yeah, like this. So we have this world. It should probably be private.
Mm-hmm.
And it is an interval system. That interval. Wait, how do I do it in rendering system? Interval system, just interval system. Okay, sir. Now I have an issue because I have Ashley and Flex in my class paths at the same time.
Can we remove Ashley?
No. I think we can. I think at this point we can safely remove it.
Otherwise, it might annoy us with stuff.
Ashley.
Physics system. World, yes. So we start with update.
Gradle.
For each body, you add position, velocity.
Ashley. Ashley. Okay, I removed Ashley from here. And I removed Ashley from here. I don't need this one. Ashley is gone, I think is the correct name of the commit.
Yeah.
Probably even the best possible commit. Oops, we have an issue here. Hides member of, okay, let's just call it physics world. Physical world, right? Not physics.
Yeah. But
okay, we should implement something on tick. Probably it will be world.
World update.
No, it was something else.
World step.
Step, correct? No.
But you name it physical world, not just world.
I see. Yep. Right now it makes sense. Step. Time step. Velocity. Wait, what? Why? Okay, it should be delta. What is velocity iterations and position iterations? Should it be just one? Wait, constraint solutions, constraint solvers. What does it mean?
I think what's going on, this is like complete speculations, that you pass it some iterations of positions and then it interpolates between them according to the time that you pass it, so it can predict
smoothly emulate the physics. Simulate the
yes, that's how I would expect it to do, but it sounds very smart.
And it shouldn't be, you mean? World step. Wow, okay. To update, we need to tell our world to step. Stepping basically updates the world objects through the time. The best place to call our step function is at the end of our render loop. In a perfect world, everyone's frame rate is the same. The first argument is this time step, or the amount of time you want the world to simulate. In most cases, you want this to be a fixed time step. So, okay, we can actually do it because we have an interval system and we can do it this way. Can we?
Yeah. In what I see on the interwebs is that they try to accumulator. What? So there's some other entity here that is not an entity in a sense.
Where do you look? Do you mind sharing?
I mean, I'm looking at some random code I found on the internet, so I can send you the link in the private chat, which you will see.
Which won't help because I have only one screen.
Yeah, true. So here is some similar logic.
Okay, it's built on Ashley, if I understand.
Yeah, but that doesn't matter, right?
Yeah.
So I'm trying to figure out what the accumulator is on the line 27 when they add the frame time, and they.
Where do you look? Which line?
27.
27. Frame time math. So
what is accumulator?
Yeah. Ha. Interesting. Do we have any accumulator defined in here?
No, and I think it's
yes,
wait.
we have.
Oh.
So J they just increased some random float.
Max step type time.
If accumulate, and then if this accumulator is too long.
This looks like something very weird, which I don't think we need to care about, and just do the step.
Yes, 60 frames per second for physics sounds like something sane, and something sensical. I still don't understand about this 6.2. Like they look like a magic constants to me. What do they use here? They use the 6 and 2 too.
Okay.
Actually,
2 can be
libktx has 2 recommendations. One per 60 1/60th and 120 40th. Oh, for now
Velocity
we will leave
directions,
the...
position directions.
Okay, you can read more in Box 2D documentation.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, let it be 6 and 2. I don't have any idea. I don't have any idea what I'm doing, and it looks like it's intentional. Okay. Can we pass? The world should step. But here I have an issue. Like, why do we have a separate system for it? Oh, I see. Because now world steps and everything changes its places, right? And now we should update locations of our location component. And we can do it only when we know the new locations of bodies. And that's why our diamonds and our king should have bodies, right?
Yeah, so I think that's exactly what's happening when you provide 6 and 2. And there's probably some internal solver that just uses that as a parameter. So you iterate positions.
Do you see what they do here? They just delegate it to the native code.
Okay.
I mean, they had some implementation before.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, no, it's not Java. It's actually a C++, I believe. Is it?
Yeah.
It doesn't look like C. No way that's C, because we have classes in here.
Okay.
World set contact listener, step, yeah, and they don't explain anything even in this native code. So actually, folks, you can see how close libktx is to native. It's literally one call away from your actual code. You call this step, and it calls native method inside. Okay, so what we should do now, we should create a new component type called, I believe, body component. And I already forgot how should it work. It should have component. I like the music actually.
Yeah.
Component, bloody component. Component, bloody component.
Sabbath, bloody Sabbath.
Yes.
Yeah, so actually they don't want us to know what's going on. It's a very vague explanation of how they do it. And I think the idea is that the steps would be a way to control accuracy. If you have something that's moving very fast, you probably want more velocity iterations. And then after you compute all the velocities, you compute the positions afterwards. But they don't really specify what the algorithm they use or what's going on here.
Something is wrong. I don't understand what.
Did you add the system to the engine?
Excuse me?
Did you add the system to the engine?
No. I can't write the actual component. No, I didn't have. Let's create. Oh, mother of God! We already have 1 volt.
Okay, good. Probably.
And we will add 1 world. Physical world.
Okay.
Equals create world. Create world. And we should define gravity and defy gravity probably. Do they have Earth gravity, by the way? Yeah, they have Earth gravity. What is it? Yeah, nice.
Yeah. 32 feet per square second.
No, it's minus 9.8 f.
Yeah, but it's in meters.
I don't know.
Yeah,
Well,
I know.
yeah, it's written here. I thought that it was 9.81. Ah, yeah, it is 9.81 actually.
There, yes.
Because the next sign is, or the next digit is 6.
Yeah, it's also p squared.
Yes. Okay, something is wrong with my component. I don't understand what, so I will just copy paste this one and rename it. Shift F6 body component.
The type here is body component as well, right?
Yes.
Why didn't
I actually have some live template for idea to generate it automatically, and I should probably create one too. So it should be val body. Oh, sorry.
What? That was very
It's
weird.
body.
Okay.
Okay, I have this body component. Now I should probably wait. What? Fuck. Did I rename this one? No. It is still location component.
Maybe try to rename it into.
Yes, because I just bluntly copy pasted.
Yeah, well, you have git diff if you might want to make sure.
I actually don't. And everything is broken now. That's why you shouldn't ever do it. You shouldn't do it. Yeah, nice.
Don't do drugs, kids.
Okay. It should have body component. How do I create a body actually? Okay, it's just vault.body. Physical vault. Type. Okay, it is not static body.
Yeah.
It's body type. What is the difference between kinematic and dynamic body?
Probably kinematic has also the dynamic one is just moves. Kinematic also have them properties like inertia and sizes. That's
Did you read it?
No.
Okay. Kinematic bodies. Somewhat in between static and dynamic bodies. Like static bodies, they do not react to forces. Okay. Does our main hero react to forces? Oh, of course, because
the kinematic does not react to forces.
Okay. Yeah, kinematic doesn't react to forces, so it should be dynamic body.
Yes,
I believe. What is the second difference? What are the other differences? Come on. Kinematic bodies. They do have ability to move.
Yeah, so I was wrong when I
it's
said
like a moving, like a moving obstacle or something like this, right?
Not an
like if I have a moving wall, it probably will be a kinematic body.
Yes, but I don't think you would mean to interact with it much.
Well, I can hit it, right?
It would be reacting to forces if you hit it.
No. I like my king can hit it and, for example, jump back. Well, I currently don't feel the I don't feel the difference between static body and kinematic body in this sense, because I can manually, if forces doesn't affect kinematic bodies, then what's the difference? It is possible to set the position of a kinematic body directly, but it's usually better to set a velocity instead. Oh, right. So you can set a velocity of your wall, and the engine will compute all the positions for you. Right?
Yes. I don't know. But we need dynamic one, so forget about this.
So yeah, this one is dynamic one. Okay, now
Can we just run it and see if it works?
No, because currently we don't have any binding between body component, location component, and our physics system. So on tick we should val family. How do I do it? I forgot basically everything. Fuck, what's wrong with you? What's not wrong with me? I should have some family here, right? World entity. No, I just spam a new entity in here. In rendering system, what is it? Okay. Location component.
For each.
Yeah, world.family. Okay. World.family. All they should have body component and location component. And now family for each it. What is it? Body component. Body. X or something, I don't know. How do I extract coordinates?
Position X? No?
Position X, right. It location component X equals this one, and Y equals this one. Now we need to add physics system into our world. It should go before, actually, it should go before the rendering system, I believe. Right?
Yes. Yeah. We want to move first and then.
Yeah. Question is, should we? Yeah. So how it works? We handle input, then we animate all the stuff.
I think we handle input, then we handle physics.
But when probably we should spam a diamond before handling input.
No, why?
Okay, after handling input. Well, my idea is we should process physics after spamming diamonds, right?
No,
because hypothetically,
before. Why? No, we need spam diamonds after. We need to process physics before we actually display anything.
Yes, but we display everything at the very end in the rendering system. So now the diamonds should be potentially, can be, might be physical bodies too, right?
Yes.
They can fall or whatever.
Yeah.
So we should first span diamond, then process physics.
Yeah. Okay. Let's do it this way. I mean, if we find something funny, okay, location component, unresolved component, unresolved. Oh wow. Okay. Oh,
It
that's
works.
so cool. Come on, do it again.
But I cannot move it.
That's because the physics after the.
Oh yeah, that's because physics is more important than my thing.
Yeah, okay, let's change that order and see how that's supposed to go.
I don't actually know. Well,
No,
you see the issue.
Put physics first. No, just don't think. Put physics first and then restart.
It won't help, you know.
Yes, but I want to see that.
It doesn't help.
Okay.
And
I
it
like how
can't
he
help
first
because
like,
because
and then moves down.
now physics system is the only thing that changes coordinates of anything, and we
Oh, I
always
see.
update things.
Yeah. Okay. So maybe it should not update actually, or
It
maybe
should update. It should be. It just should be smarter, probably.
how come?
Well, actually, heating up now should affect physics system, probably.
Yeah. Or you should be affected by physics after you press up. Or maybe, yeah. If you press up, then you change the state to moving, and then it's physics that's supposed to calculate how you move. Science.
How do you like it? It's almost Python. If player state component is inside the same entity, then we could do something.
I'm okay with Python here and there.
Oh, moving. Oh, we don't have any moving up or something like that. Okay. If gdx dot input is but he just press input dot keys dot up, then we should. Haha. I can do it this way too, right? Well, fuck this. Then it body component body velocity. Oh, what? Set linear velocity.
Yes, set linear velocity to 1, whatever.
It will perform a magic jump once. Not. Oh, wait.
I think 20 is too little.
Do you see it? Do you see it?
Yeah. Yes. Every frame it drops to drop 10, but you move it 20 up.
Actually, velocity affects our hero. I mean, gravity affects our hero.
Yeah. Now we need to figure out how to make floor.
Well, yes.
Probably the tiles that create
Yes,
floor.
we have these objects. Let's get back to our.
Let's commit it first. Commit it first, and maybe
Yes.
edit.
things become physical with king. You know what I'm saying, right?
Yeah.
It's actually great. I mean, it was easy to add, right?
Yeah.
Surprisingly easy to add.
Yes, that's true.
Now, okay, let's get back to our map real quick because I don't actually remember anything. Tiled. There should be something open and fine, right? Tiled level 0.tmax. Okay, we have these rectangles, and these rectangles are located on the layer.
Is there like yeah, other layer? Like
Yeah, there is a layer with entities actually, so it's already there. We can probably just extract data from it.
yeah. But can we just mark floor somehow differently? That
We have this huge rectangle. I mean, we can basically make each rectangle a how do you say it? Static body? Is it static body?
yeah. But can you add some layer in this particular instrument?
Yeah,
To
yes, of course I can. New
custom
object
properties.
layer and so on.
Uh-huh.
But we need to we don't need to change anything, I believe.
Okay.
We just need to extract the data from the layer.
Oh, I see. Sorry, can you go back again to that
Sure.
tool because
Sorry.
we were hiding it.
Yeah. So
Right.
you've been hiding it. So look, folks, we have this multiple rectangles. They all actually just dead areas for our character.
Yes, I think what
We need to do is just to extract them all and convert them to static bodies. It should be more or less simple. And on the right we have the same.
I think that where the name rectangle comes from. I don't understand.
Oh, it's just my name. You can see it here in properties.
So if you make it to, I don't know, collidable.
Yes, I can actually call it whatever.
Call it whatever, yeah.
Yeah, so it will rename this particular instance. But class is still a rectangle. And I won't change the class because we just want to extract all entities.
If you understand how to do it easily, then go ahead.
I'm not sure. Let's try. I need to read some docs again because, of course, I don't remember. Objects. Properties. Map object. Yeah, so we have this layer get objects. How do I extract layer? This like this tiled map layer. So
yeah, that's. I'm not sure if you want to keep the. Don't you want to create another layer?
Say it again.
Why don't you want to create another layer?
But it's already another layer.
Yeah, but it has a stupid name. Rectangle, like that doesn't.
No. The layer is named entities. Look on the right.
Okay. Yeah.
On the left side, we have description and position and whatever.
Okay. Yes. Now I understand. Yes. Cool.
Okay. Makes sense, right?
Let's do that. Yeah.
Okay. Nothing interesting in tile, so probably I should just get back to this one. Map get layers, get my layer, and it's actually a nice thing. We can call it. Probably we should rename the layer though. Well, let it be entities for now. It should be in which system it should be. Oh, I see. We can inject map here too. Val map equals. Should we? Probably we should. Tiled map Nice. Now, on the creation of the thing, I should probably do the following. Need map layers. Wait, layer. Oh, nice. Nice Kotlin extension. KTX styled entities. I don't know. Entities layer. Then entities layer objects. Nice, map objects. Do I have for each or whatever? Yes, I have for each. I have probably map too. I have map, nice. Wait, does it mean that I should create? Yeah, I should create additional static bodies for each of them. If it is rectangle object, rectangle map object, nice. What do I have? Width, X, Y, nice. World. No. Physical world. Physical world. Body. No, not body. Rectangle. No. Do I do something wrong? How do I create a rectangle? Oh, box. I see. Box. No. What's wrong, Igor?
I'm not sure if... Can you go back to the code?
Yes, I can. Physical world. That it should have box extension. I actually don't think that's
I need to look at the docs once again.
Okay, how do they call it? Oh, I see. It should be body. Okay. It's a little bit more tricky than this. Body, and inside I should create a box with it with it 8 vector 2 of it x and it y strong. Wait, what is it? It is map object. It position. Object x. Oh, I see. I should. Okay, I have created box. Is it enough? No, wait. It should be. I also should say that it's a static body, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's static body by default.
Mm-hmm.
What I should put inside the box body definition. That I just create a box. And what is density? I mean, I know what is density. What is density in physics? Why do we need it? Why might we need it?
You want to calculate mass.
Oh, because they can calculate. Oh, that's so sophisticated. That's so cool. So they can actually calculate. of our
That's
object.
just my interpretation. Why would you need
Yeah,
it?
but it makes sense. It makes perfect
It
sense.
does, yeah. Fixtures density, bodies require their mass properties from fixtures. Yeah. If you have, you can specify mass or
Well, we won't for now.
yeah, the density is used to compute the mass properties. Can be 0 or
Okay,
positive.
let's check if we will hit this
One
breakpoint.
I need to pick up the doors. 1 second.
Sure. So what I'm doing right now, I want to make sure that that I get at least any objects from our layer. I actually do, and I need to check if yes, actually, they all are rectangle map objects. Let's look at our entities layer. Objects. It has quite a few objects. Then for each object, if it is rectangle map object, and they all are, right? They all are rectangle map objects. Then I will create a body in physical world, and this body is static, and it has these dimensions. We don't render them. We don't actually need. Fuck. I need to find a better place for a better initial position for our hero.
300.
Nope.
Why not? Yes.
It's too much. It will hit some wall, I believe.
200.
Height is enough. Let's try 150F.
Actually, I think that needs to be higher. No.
Yeah, it actually needs to be higher. You're right.
200. Come on. Actually, I believe it didn't move. Did it?
Probably you're right. It didn't move.
Yeah.
Why?
You specify it somewhere else, when you create the player.
By the way, I do create a body here, right? But without any position. How so? How does it work at all?
Well, I would assume it inferred the position.
From
Take
what?
a look at the players. I think we specify 50-50 somewhere else as well.
To what? Look at what? Look at here. Look at what?
Player movement system.
Player movement system. Not here.
Okay.
It's only about movement, as it's called. Let's look at player state component. No, nothing about coordinates, I believe, only animations.
Yeah.
Animation component, no. Body component, no. That component, location component, run animation, visual component, no. Rendering system doesn't care. I mean, it works
location X, location Y. Yeah, so it should work. What if you place rendering system after the physics just for the test in the...
It's how it works, actually. Rendering system is the last.
Okay. What?
Okay. Let's do it extreme.
If you remove the body component but change the position still, would that affect it? So we need to figure out who's actually dropping it.
Oh, I don't understand. I mean, now I kind of feel it's an empty body, right? Like it's how do you call it in physics? Material point?
Yeah, kind of. Point mass, you call it in English.
Okay, point mass.
Right. So what's the...
I'm trying to understand what's going on.
Can you just remove this 63rd line commented out and restart?
Sure.
Okay, so this did move. Can you place 200 now? All right.
Okay.
So now, when we create the physics, the body component, it should take the location of these elements. Maybe here, maybe in the constructor of the body component, actually.
So we should probably create some X, I don't know, whatever.
Just put 200, 200. We're running out of time, kinda.
Okay, it will be 50F, 50F, because I don't know the actual size of our king. Position will be vector 2, F, 200F, 200F.
Yeah. Nope.
It looks like our physics system works in some different system of coordinates.
Physics works in mysterious way. Can you take a look at the body component once again in the implementation?
But it's empty, it just accepts body.
Yeah, so maybe when here we create, there's something that needs to be adjusted.
Components should be dump.
Position set, transform component position set.
Where are you looking?
At that link again, with where we saw 6.2.
Okay, makes sense.
It's top one. Yeah. So here in the process entities, if you look lower, no, it's not the one I was referring to. But no, actually, here it checks the positions here. But if you look at the lava eater on the left-hand side, you have the tab with lava eater.
What?
No, even lefter. You have an open tab that starts with lava eater. Up.
Yeah.
Yes. So here you see that in line 41, they do something.
Transform component is just their way of, is just their location component, right?
Yeah, but they still set the position, and they do it for every tick, every update.
But we do the same.
Where? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. For each. Okay.
Body position. Okay. Well, let's just do we still have some time?
Yeah, so the body position doesn't have the X, and I think it returns that to 0, 0.
Yeah, let's check.
Let's check. Go back to engines. No, go back to engines.
Engines?
To the engine. Where did you find the engine?
Wait.
What? It worked. No?
It kinda.
What did you do?
Well, I'm in debug right now, so yeah. So it works.
So it jumps.
Yes, it jumps. It basically jumps.
Okay, can you go to the engine?
What's engine? System?
Main.kt, where you define
okay.
it. Okay, this was what I call engine. Let's comment out the body again, the last part.
Like this?
And replace 200 with 0, 0. Or 0F, yeah. Yes, so it takes 0. It's not some random value. It places it in the 0, and I think that's because it tries to just read it like 0 is default value for floors.
Yes, but here we do define the actual position, right?
Maybe we don't. What is this position?
What
is this like? Can you specify position, not the box itself?
But box has position. Like it's the actual position. The argument is called position.
Position, but it's a vector.
Yeah. Okay. It's a vector of two variables. Okay. But yes, but they even have names X and Y.
Yeah, but that's the height.
Yes, we have height of our box. We have width of our box.
And you're pretty sure that that's the box that actually associated with this.
I hope, because that's how it's supposed to work. Hypothetically.
Is there a way
Like,
to make
it's
sure?
inside body definition, but let's look at the documentation again real quick. Body, polygon, box, width, height,
Yeah, but no position. Where's the position?
and density. That's kind of funny that they gravity, fuzzy, circle, shape, body. Okay.
Body position set. Body position set.
Где? Where?
Lower.
Position set.
So
What
it's
is it?
actually set positions instead, and then creates the box. So
Makes
just
sense.
let's try.
Oh, it's a little bit obscure, but okay, let's try. How do they do it? Position set to 200F, 200F.
Use cell, not set. Oh, actually, okay, yeah.
What is SCL that I called?
Static, constant, linear, something.
Oops.
A rectangle.
Because
That's
small-
a rectangle.
Yeah. That's a rectangle, and that's because I initialized our obstacles in the wrong way too. SCL for real. Set it X it I. Okay, something is off.
I think that it detects this bit of the wall as something that is also in the same layer, and it goes to the edge, and then it doesn't move. That's what I would expect happening.
Well, it's kind of meditative already.
That's true. Yeah, okay. Commit, close, and please don't write any code between the sessions, okay?
I will try to. Well, I didn't write anything between these two sessions. I only
Yes.
fixed the minor bug with the
Well,
with the diamond. With the
Don't
diamond.
fix any bugs. Just let's get back to it next week. Try to distract yourself with something else.
Yeah, actually, the next week I will be on the conference, so I'm not even sure. I hope that I will be able to stream something, but we will need to check.
Okay.
Probably I will stream from the hotel room. I don't know.
Yeah, I think we can try to swap the driving and the passenger seat next time, and I can try to
Yeah, that's
code
one
some
way.
stuff.
But I will be on my laptop. I mean, everything will be wrong, and setup won't be nice at all. But yeah. Okay, folks. Anyways, thank you very much. In several, I don't know, minutes, it will be built on our GitHub, and you will be able to play with it. Hopefully, it will work in TVM.
Yeah.
We can probably see the previous version there. Yeah, it's already drawing. Nice. See you next time. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye. Yo, huge tunnel. Just
Let's call
remove my screen from there.
Infinity mirror.